Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. This is another video of calendar business object. In this video, I am going to show you how to check the specific date, that given date is public holiday or not. So for that, let me take one action stage, double click on that, select calendar and select is public holiday. We need to enter calendar name where we are going to check. So we are going to work on USA calendar and then date. So date, we are going to put today date first. So it will give us, it will first go and check that, and here in the output create two data item where first it will give us a true or false, like that date is public holiday or not, and this data item will give you the name of that public holiday. It means if that is public holiday, then it will give you the name of the public holiday. If that is not, it will just keep it as a blank. Now click OK. So it will check with your calendar public holiday. If the specific date that you have entered, if that is public holiday, you will get in this name, and here you will get true. So you know today is not holiday, so we are getting false, and here we are getting blank. Now let me go with this calendar and check the date. So here we have 11/11/2021. So let me double click on this and change this date 11/11/2021. Click OK, right click, set next stage, and now here will be getting true, and here will get that name of the public holiday, that is Veterans Day. Okay, now you can see here Veterans Day and public holiday true. It means that a specific date is the public holiday. So by this way also you can write some condition, like in the one decision you can check, is this other holiday or is this public holiday. If any of this is true, then do not run the boat, just perform the cleanup process and close that. It means in these two scenarios you don't want to run your boat. If false, then run the process, like that. So I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.